Okay, Mario once again, another video for today. This is going to be on swash plates. I wanted to do this video a while back, but I keep forgetting sometimes because I do some other videos, and just depending on the particular day and the project that I'm working on. It just so happens that I had to dismantle this whole setup here so that I can make this rotor head very fluid, and I just explained that in my previous video of today. I just took this apart, this bracket here, and I heated this wire so that I can move it back and forth inside this 3D printed part. There was a little bit tight there, so now it's very fluid here. Now these move really easy this way, but it also pivots this whole assembly teetering assembly pivots also really easy. So that's what you want in a rotor head. You want fluidity there. There's no slop whatsoever on the rotor head parts, which are these two plates that hold. They become the blade grips, because I'm using ball bearings right in that mast, as I explained in my first video. So that's been taken care of. So I'm done with that. Now I'm working on this swash plate. Now, as you can see, this swash plate here, you can see these little perforations there. This is a almost a three-part swash plate, and you can see that part right there. And the way I designed this swash plate, I don't like the way this came out, because I had to print this with supports like this, and then I had to clean up the supports from underneath. So I did away with that, and now I'm just doing it flat. But I am making this extra part here, and I am making it so that the ball bearing does not insert from the top of this base here, but from the bottom. This has a stop at the very edge. It's got a little bit of a lip there. You won't see it in this video because it's so small, but it does have a stop there, so I can insert the ball bearing from the bottom, come back with this plate right here, and lock it with 4 little tiny screws. That way that whole assembly, that the ball bearing does not slip. It was slipping on this one here because I did not do it on this swash plate. You can see how easy that just slips, once this is under a continuous use, especially when you're pivoting and it's finding some restriction in the movement. So I've done away with that, and this is my new swash plate. It's done. It's a little more complex, more parts, but not really that bad, and it holds the ball bearing much better. I am waiting for some larger ball bearings than these. These are 10 by I think these are 10 inside 10 inside diameter by 15 by 3 millimeters in height. So I'm waiting for some larger ones to do much better